Hi everyone, Kiki and I are going to make a rainbow using our Play-Doh colors. We are going to use pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You can use whatever color you like. It doesn't have to be the exact same colors we are using. For example, you can use red instead of pink and add an indigo after blue. Okay, let's do it!